What's the difference between internally promoting employee versus externally hiring? That's our topic for today. Hi mga kapyoters! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Von, ang kaagapan nyo sa puyatan. Again, for today's video, we will be discussing as to what's the difference between internally hiring or promoting versus externally hiring. Especially, this is really a topic in the industry, whether it's in the BPO or in the corporate world. Because there's a lot of people, why am I not getting promoted? Or why are they hiring somebody outside the company? So there are a few things that you need to remember as to why the company, the management is hiring externally versus just promoting internally. So if you're interested, stick around. From your current role, your expertise is just doing your current job and your length of tenure. And the management role requires analytical thinking, problem solving, stakeholder, management, financing, communication, people management. These are the things that you don't learn when you're doing your current role. And so, if the company needs somebody who has that skill sets right away, they will be needing to hire somebody outside the company. So don't take it against the company or the management when they need to hire somebody who already have the skill set, especially if the project or the account requires to have the skill sets to be able to perform right away. So key thing that you need to remember, if you're aiming for a promotion, make sure that every day is a learning process for you. Try to expose yourself to the people around you who are experts to the role or the position that you're aiming for. Do not just rely on your expertise on the product and process or your tenure in the company or the project. Else, you'll get disappointed that you are not being promoted or you're not yet ready for the role. So remember, you don't prepare for the promotion when the opening is already there. You prepare every day. You strategically plan of what you need to learn, whether internally or externally with your study. You make friends with people who are experts to the field that you want to be, so that when there's an opening, an opportunity, you are ready and you can ace the promotion. Get that? Right, that's very quick, right? But I hope you learn a little today. And if so, and if you like this video, please hit that like button, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. All right, again, always remember, take a break, but never quit.